Hi, thanks for watching this flash demo on how to send a patch health book link to a group of patients. First, I need to click on my initials and then select the first option after my name, the patch messaging one. I'm taken into the patch messaging welcome page. And if I want to send a patch health book link, I need to click this button, send a patch message, and then select the self book option, the first one over here. Here, I'm invited to write down my booking invite, but first I need to select a slot type, the one that I want my patients to book an appointment into. So I'm going to click here, and as you can see here, I have a drop-down list of slots that appears, and these slots are all pulled from my appointments book. They are updated every 30 minutes. As you can also read, I can see how many appointments are available for each slot. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one, for instance, and then I can scroll down and choose a template if I don't want to type down my message. So I'm going to click here, and I have another drop-down list. I can also see that there are some templates that have been created by Accurx to save myself some time. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. And over here, I can see that my text has appeared. But this is a free text box. So I can add any text I want, or I can also remove it. The most important thing is that the text message is concise, up-to-date, and relevant to the targeted cohort. If I scroll down, I can also see that I have an extra option. I can uncheck this box if I don't want to save the body of the message to the patient's record. So what will be saved to the record is the fact I'm sending a booking invite, the patient's phone number, and the associated SNOMED code to the template. Then I also have another option. I can allow my patients to decline their booking invite. If I want to do so, I need to toggle this on, and then I can also write down the decline message patients will be seeing. So this is another text box. And what we recommend is that you state the name of the appointment that patients are declining, and you let them know what's going to happen next. I can also choose to associate a SNOMED code with the decline. So I can click here, and I have a drop-down list of SNOMED codes. So I can scroll down and choose a SNOMED code, or I can come back here and look for a specific SNOMED code, and then select the one that I want. Once I'm ready, I can move to the next step, which is adding a patient list. So I'm going to click here. And in this page, I'm invited to upload a CSV file with my patient's information. If I've never done it before, we have some helpful tips over here on how to extract it from EMIS and also from System 1. Once I'm ready, I can go ahead and click here to upload my CSV file. So I'm going to choose this one, and it's uploading now in my system. Amazing, it's ready now. And as you can see here, I can read the total number of patients that I'm intending to message. I can see that 3 of them have been accepted by my system over here, and that 5 of them have not been accepted. If I look at the patient list, I can see that I don't have a valid UK mobile number for those patients. If that happens, you can always download a list over here and try and get up-to-date contact details for those patients. If you're still happy to message the accepted patients, you can move to the next step by pressing this continue button. And then here, I'm just invited to review my message. And when I'm ready, I can go ahead and send the booking invite. All I need to do is click the send message button. And it's done. I just need to wait for the confirmation. It's over here, and it's all sent now.